All right, at about the 8 to 12 to 14 weeks of the embryo, we begin to go from the chromosomal to the gonadal sex stage. So this is when we're now going to be specific. So if you are XY, you have a Y chromosome. And that Y chromosome has a gene called the SRY. This is the sex determining gene. The SRY becomes activated at about 8 weeks. This will cause the non-specific gonads to now become specific, developing into a testis. So the testis then will produce two hormones. So SRY activates, creating the testis. The testis then creates hormones, testosterone, and what is called anti-Mullerian hormone, AMH. Not only do we have to have now a specific gonad, remember we also have to have a duct system. The specific duct system for males is called the Wolffian duct system. So this is what will become the urethra and the seminiferous tubule and the seminal duct. So these two hormones are going to kick in, and now we will have the Wolffian duct system created. So I put an additional figure in there. The Wolffian duct system is the tube that you see running directly from the testis. So this will be developed, and the outer duct system is going to deteriorate. That is the Mullerian system. That is the one that is, oops, put the wrong symbol here. That's male. The Mullerian system is going to be the female specific duct system. So if you have a Y gene, you will have the SRY, if you have a Y chromosome, you'll have the SRY gene. That will tell the non-specific gonad to develop into the specific gonad called a testis. That produces hormones that will then create the duct system, the Wolffian duct system for males. Females, you don't have a Y chromosome, so you do not have an SRY gene. So that means you will be the basic model for a gonad that will develop into the specific gonad called an ovary. Those ovaries are not going to produce any hormones like the testis is. So the absence of hormones is going to tell the Wolffian duct system to deteriorate and to allow the Mullerian to develop. So I was running out of space here, but this will cause the Mullerian system, duct system, that was what will become the fallopian tubes, to develop. And this is why the fallopian tubes are not attached to the ovaries. You notice they are not attached in the figure, and this is why when they wrap around, they still are never going to attach back to the ovary. That's when we need those cilia to draw the primary oocyte out. So this is what is going to go on. We still are not going to really see any genitalia on the outside. So after the gonadal sex stage, we will then go to the phenotypic. Now that these begin to develop into specific organs, we can then allow ourselves to see what happens phenotypically.